Hi, I'm Jonglok. To celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Jonglok Art online workshops, I'm offering the workshop on painting Amaryllis at 50% off from now through September 30th, 2021. If you have not enrolled in any of my Zoom workshop or online courses, hopefully this discount would motivate you to give it a try to experience my format of teaching in clear step-by-step instructions and multiple demonstrations. If you're already an enrollee, then hopefully this discount would be a flower that you would really enjoy, and besides, there's no coupon code needed. Amaryllis is the symbol of success, career promotion, and academic achievement because the flower is always on the top of the plant. So best wishes to Jonglok Art online workshops and to everyone in the celebration of our first anniversary. See you, bye-bye!